Hi there, I'm Arran Brown and I'm the Assistive Technology Advisor at Heriot-Watt University. In this video, I want to show you some of the free text-to-speech options available. Text-to-speech allows you to have text on your device read aloud for you to listen back to. In the Microsoft 365 apps, you can use the built-in Read Aloud feature to have any text read back to you. To activate it in Word or Outlook, press Ctrl, Alt and the spacebar.
This is an example of text-to-speech in Microsoft 365.
When you activate the Read Aloud function, the following controls appear, which allow you to change the speed of the voice and choose either a male or female voice. Note that in PowerPoint and Excel, this feature is referred to as Speak and Speak cells respectively. To use this feature, you're best to add it to your Quick Access toolbar. To do this, right-click anywhere in your toolbar and select Show Quick Access Toolbar. Click on the drop-down arrow and select More Commands. In the pop-up window, under Choose Commands From, select Commands Not in Ribbon from the drop-down. Then select Speak from the list and add it to your Quick Access toolbar. Select OK and you will have access to the Speak function whenever you need this.
This is an example of text-to-speech in PowerPoint.
Note that Read Aloud can be added to the Quick Access toolbar in Word and Outlook too by following the same process, but looking for Read Aloud rather than Speak. If you need to read PDF files, you can use Adobe Acrobat's Read Out Loud feature. To access it, go to View, Read Out Loud, and then activate Read Out Loud. You can then choose to read the current page, all pages, or a selection of text.
Papago Indian children in elementary school bridge 2 languages and more than 12 cultures. Although Wendy C. Caston teaches and does research at the University of South Florida at Sarasota.
If you browse the web with Chrome, you can use extensions like Natural Reader and Read Aloud to have any web page read back to you.
We have a variety of assistive software available at Heriot-Watt University.
For help with our enabling technology and for any queries about your support needs, please contact.
These extensions are available from the Chrome Web Store and offer different voices and settings. If you want a free Windows software that can read any text and save it as an MP3 file, you can try Balabolka. Balabolka lets you customize fonts, colors, backgrounds, and voices.
Balabolka is a text-to-speech software based on SAPI, which is Microsoft's native speech API.
You can also edit the text and adjust the speed and pitch of your voice. This is an example of saving some text as a text-to-speech MP3 file using Balabolka.
Balabolka is a text-to-speech software based on SAPI, which is Microsoft's native speech API.
Finally, if you use an Apple computer, such as a MacBook, you have access to the excellent built-in text-to-speech features available in macOS. To activate this, select the Apple logo at the top left of your screen and select System Settings. Go to Accessibility and then to Spoken Content. Here, you can pick a suitable voice to be used, change the speed and the volume of the voice. You can also pick what it speaks on your system. I'm going to highlight the Speak Selection feature here, as this will read whatever text you select on the screen. If you select the eye icon next to the Speak Selection option, you can also customize how the text appears when it is spoken, such as highlighting it with specific colors. Once you've set this up, you can use this across your Mac in programs like Microsoft Word and on your web browser. The shortcut to use this is Options plus the Escape key.
This is some sample text. This is what it sounds like when you use text-to-speech on your computer. And pay attention to the highlighting, which can help you read along when using this feature.
These are just some of the free text-to-speech options available, and hopefully you find one or more of these useful in your studies. Thanks for watching.